Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tips Under 10. I'm excited to be back. I have our new sign. It's the first time you've seen it on Tips Under 10. I'm really excited because today I'm actually going to do something that I've had a couple of questions on lately, and I actually did a tutorial on this about 2 years ago, but I wanted to share it again because I thought it was really helpful. And the question I get asked a lot is, should I use Linktree on my Instagram for links? And my answer to that is no. Now, I have nothing against Linktree. I think they're a great company. I think that it's awesome that they have this service available. However, you're sending a lot of traffic to somebody else's website and not to your own directly. So what I've done is I've actually made my own Linktree on my website. Very, very simple, and it's branded. I get traffic directly to my website and they can stay on my website longer. So this is something I want to show you guys how to do. I'm going to show you guys on my computer how I do it in Squarespace, but you can do it on any single website platform. I will say you have to have access to your website in order to do this. So if you have maybe a web designer or something that helps you, just show them this video and they can make one for you. So hope you guys enjoy this lesson on how to create a Linktree for yourself. Okay, welcome guys. I want to show you guys what my old Linktree used to look like. I used this a couple years ago before I figured out this hack. So you can see it's just basic buttons. This is what Linktree looks like. I tried to get them in my brand colors, which I couldn't because you can't really do that for free on Linktree. So, and they've got the Linktree branding, that kind of stuff. It's very basic. So I figured out a way to do it myself. So you can head over to my website and you can see I have a specific page set just for Instagram. So if you go to twinstalescollective.com/Instagram, this is the link I leave in the bio of my Instagram. The reason I do this is it actually directs traffic to my website. I can see how many people through my analytics are coming from Instagram, and I can customize it to my colors and everything. So you'll see this is actually an image I made in Canva. And then as you can see below, I have a bunch of different buttons that I use, different sizes to actually just create my own buttons. You can have them be the same color. You can have them be whatever colors you want. And then you can see that down here, I also can add my social media links, which is awesome. So you'll see that this is a much easier way to do it because it's on your own website. You don't deal with Linktree at all. I just created, again, a separate page, and I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. Okay, so I got to this page, I just call it Instagram landing page. So basically on whatever platform you're using, if you're using WordPress, whatever, you start a new page. You can see I added an image. I did that by, at least on Squarespace, you just go here, add an image, and then you upload the image. And basically all you do is I added some spacers on each side. So I added a spacer here, and you can do this again on everything. You can make it bigger or smaller. I tried to make it so that it was like right in the middle. I'm gonna delete this, but that's basically how I made it shrink a little bit inside. And then all I did was I added a button, and you can set up your buttons on your website to be whatever colors you want. So you can see I have different colors for each size of buttons I have. So like my small one's like a light green. So that's just something to think about is, what colors do you want? And then you can write whatever the link is. So you could say like, check out our shop, and then you can put the link. It can either be a link on your website, or what's cool about buttons on websites is you can actually put an external link, at least on Squarespace. You can see it can be a web address, otherwise it's a page within your own website. You can also put things like phone call, file, etc. And this is true on literally every editing software you can definitely do this. I think you could even probably do this on Shopify. You can do this wherever and have an Instagram specific page for your social media. You could even create one for every single site. Just copy this, duplicate this page and do one for Twitter, do one for Facebook, do one however you want to even track how people are finding your website. That's really it. It's pretty easy. If you are, used to editing your website, just make, again, a separate page. I put /Instagram because it was easy. And then you can keep that consistent in your bio of your social media. And then you can just change this whenever you need to. So that's really all I do. I think it's a much better system than Linktree because you, again, have the branding. It brings people back to your website. So it's a much better system in my opinion.